Hapa in Menthi North, what we usually do, there is routine inspection of food premises, and the food premises included not limited to bars, hotels, and other eateries generally. These are the places that are authorized to sell food to the public because they comply with the Public Health Act Cap 242 and the Food, Drugs and Chemical Substances Control Act Cap 254, laws of Kenya. Any other place that sells food without the authority of the said two acts, those are illegal places. When we come to the bars, where some of these young people are complaining that they are chased away since the outbreak of COVID-19, this one, there is no one time even the bar owners or the patrons, those are the customers, are supposed to allow people who are under 18 years. That is according to our constitution. We cannot allow anybody who is under 18 years to enter or sell anything in a bar. Even our Liquor Control Act, that is of 2016, it outlines very well those people who are supposed to take in beer, to sell beer, and to handle beer. When we come to the food that are being sold under sanitary conditions, by this I mean the food that are sold in the streets, food like mitura, chips, meat. These are very bad food. These are food that can even transmit very bad diseases, especially time like now when people have changed to sell dogs. People are also collecting blood from the slaughterhouses, and this is where they make mitura. Na hii mitura au watu wanakanyanga hiyo ndamu na miguu, na pengine hata anaenda kwa choo anakuya na anakanyanga hiyo damu, alafu hiyo damu inachukuliwa inatengeneza mitura. We usually try to control such food in our streets. This is where we are talking of selling food in sanitary conditions. And on the other hand, it has come a time when things are very difficult on our side, because when now it comes to our politics are affecting what we are doing. Especially when you tell somebody who is selling those mituras, namwambia hii, this one is bad. You try to help the educate him, but this person becomes very arrogant because he says that is the work of hustlers, and in fact they become very resistant and they can even harm our people. This is where now we are using enforcement, especially police officers and the county enforcement officers, to control these habits. The only thing we enjoy very well here is, according to our governor, His Excellency Honorable Kiraitu Murungi, free and to work. He usually listens to everything and observe whatever is happening, and he never interferes with anything. This is why we are now succeeding in some of these activities that are outdated. Because initially we had a lot of fights with these people. Some of them were born criminals who cannot listen to anybody. But now we see things, although they are almost coming back, but they are under control as we talk. Because since sometimes back we had no outbreak of any foodborne disease, Even when there were cholera outbreaks in other counties in Meru, we have never witnessed a case. And this is because what we are doing, we are being supported properly by our government, county government, and we usually take care of everybody. We listen to everybody, irrespective of age, status, or anywhere.